Hello everybody. For today's project, we're going to put up a net up in the corner of the room for all of my daughter's stuffed animals. So this kit came with the net, wall anchors and hooks, as well as some instructions. The instructions aren't overly helpful, to be completely honest. They don't tell you any distances or anything like that, but we're going to go ahead and figure it out. So with the wall anchors, first thing, we need to figure out what drill bit we need. So to figure that out, I'm gonna go grab my drill bits and we will walk through that process. So to figure out what size drill bit we need, we grab our anchor and then just grab different drill bits and hold them up to each other and look past them. So if you hold the drill bit in front of the anchor and you can't see any of the anchor behind it, then your drill bit's too big. If you see a lot, it's too small. So I usually do is hold them up and then I go to the other side and see if I can see anything. This is pretty well lined up. It might be a tad small, but it's gonna work because we want it to wedge in there. We don't want this thing to be real big and loose and fall out. The way these work then is when the hooks are screwed into it, this part opens up and it holds it to the back of the drywall. So with that, we'll go ahead and mark our holes and get them drilled. All right, so we have the corner of the room here, and what I'm gonna do is measure down. I'm gonna go 4 inches and make a mark for my first hole. So we're gonna go 4 inches from the ceiling. So we're gonna measure off 36 inches from each corner to 36, make a mark, and then we're gonna turn and go 4 inches down, make another mark, and then same thing on this side. We'll do 36 and 4 and mark our holes. All right, so I have my holes marked. So for purposes of this, I'm just gonna show you how to do one. So we have our hole right here. So let's go ahead and drill it. After the drill is in, you can place your anchor and just take a hammer and just lightly tap it in. Until it's flush. And then once it's flush, come back, grab one of your hooks, and just start feeding it in. And I'm going to screw it in until about the archway is at the wall, which is right about there. If you give it a little tug, don't pull super hard, it's not that great of an anchor, but it's staying in there and feels nice and tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 2 holes and then we'll hang the net. All right, so we got our hooks in. Now we open up our net and you're gonna have 3 spots to put it on the hooks. So let's fish around, find your middle one, which is this one here for me. Go up, put that one, and that one. So our hooks are in. Now we just need to fill it with stuffed animals. All right, so she put a bunch of the stuffed animals in there. As you can see, even hung one from a hook over there with a little purse and puppies and stuff. So net is up, holding a bunch of stuffed animals or stuffed creatures. If you have any questions, comments, concerns on how to put this net up, or have any other questions, please put them in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and all that, and we will talk to you soon.